Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I don't have a lot of time, and I'm just feeling like spatula-ing some colors into place, smoothing them together, starting with this Art 24 karat gold. Blue velvet. Whispering Wisteria, which will probably darken up way too much. Some Anita's white metallic. Some ginger flower. Some dancing fuchsia. Some orange crush. Some pink carnation. And the color I call Tangerine, which is sour lemon. With a little bit of hollyberry and or dancing fuchsia. I'm going to grab a spatula, cross my fingers. And now no matter what, I've got to start. I'm going to scrape that off, or I'm going to wipe it off. I think I'm going to wipe it off. And that worked okay. Take my residuals, put them right there. I think I want some more Anita's, but I'm going to use some periwinkle too. Periwinkle, red violet, Anita's, some more blue velvet. Now I've got beautiful colors. I'm not sure that I'd regret it at all if I just scrape them away. I think I'm going to tip first and see if this goes anywhere, especially this right here. Alright, that leaves me one more corner, and I might just do something really simple, like use my yellow-orange. And what did I do with my tangerine? I've got my Tuscan Sun. There's Tangerine, I see it. That's Tuscan Sun. Still feeling like not a bad idea to add some more Anita's Way Metallic. I might want to grab a clean spatula though. I'm being called to orange, but is it really orange or do I want this pink carnation? And maybe not an overabundance of it. And I love the Decor Americana 24 karat gold so much I'm thinking I'm going to just go for that. Also, make some simple shapes. Clean off my scrape dish. Clean off my spatula, rather. I might want those colors in a minute. A little more gold. And some dancing fuchsia while I'm at it. I still want orange. I keep trying to ignore the call to orange, but I want it. I've got that other color. I'm pretty sure I'm very close to being done anyway. If I take, I would have to varnish this. Where do I want to put this? Still got that other color, batch of colors. To do something with. Maybe I should put something into the dish. A little ginger flower. A little bit of dancing fuchsia. Maybe a smidgen of frozen. I've never tried exactly this. I'm thinking a transfer. And then hopefully I can tip it and spread it out some because it's looking pretty heavy. I'm going to have to torch really quickly. I just ran out of time. So I'll do that and I'm going to call this done. I mean, I suppose at a certain point in time I could go back in. I could go back in and paint over the black. I what did I see that I wanted to... make a minor adjustment. I could do all kinds of stuff tomorrow. I could dot. I don't really want to do anything. Simple concept, spread paint around. I like it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.